Hi, this is David Azimi with Nestled Real Estate Services. I'm super excited to present to you 507 Alexander Way in the heart of Milpitas, California. This property offers a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, completely renovated and move-in ready. Let's take a tour and tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this beautiful 507 Alexander Way in Milpitas. Now, before I go, top-rated schools, restaurant, shop, location. If you have any further questions, you can reach myself or Amron at the numbers below via text, email, or a quick phone call. Like always on my videos, catch you on the next one.